So it finally happened. Now let me get this straight. I've only ever owned an iPhone. I had the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, 6. The 7 just didn't do it for me. It just looked too similar to the 6. What I have here, S8 Plus. So what we're going to do today, crack this open and yeah, goodbye Apple. So my iPhone 6 is what I'm using here with my GoPro, just so you can see. It has been a lovely, lovely phone. However, Apple just don't seem to be doing it for me this time. That's why I've decided to go with this. This one is the 64 gig Midnight Black. All right. Holy crap, that looks beautiful. Wow, would you look at that? That is impressive. I have to admit, that looks amazing. Just pop that down to the side for now. Take a look what else is in the box. Alright, we've got your SIM ejector tool. We'll need that. What else we got in here? Alright, just your normal quick start guides. What else have we got in there? Oh, we're going to need that one, so keep that one to the side. That looks pretty straightforward. Oh, I'm liking that. We've got the Samsung Power Brick. How does it come out? Oh. Oh. I know I'm opening this completely wrong. There we go. Oh, nice. What is this? Oh, Type-C to micro. Don't really need that, you know. Lightning. Can't get this thing out. USB to Type-C. We're going to need that. Type-C USB. Spare earbuds. And AKG headphones. Oh no, that feels good. That feels really nice. It's got like a fabric material over this bit up until the split. Lovely. Okay, got what we need. I am so nervous. One thing I know when transferring from iPhone to Samsung is make sure you turn off iCloud and iMessages, pretty much anything that has I in front of it. iMessages off, FaceTime off. I think that's it.
1080 degrees. Wi-Fi. Battery 0 hours, 14 minutes and 5 seconds.
Thank you. The moment we have been waiting for. Oh yeah, that's good. Look at that. Incredible. So this is the iris scanner. Go with... Okay, so this looks like it's the bit where the smart switch, so we'll go with that. Okay. Then what do we do? Okay, we're gonna have to turn off the iPhone for this. And we just hit trust. It looks like it is. Okay, so it's searching my iPhone now. Ah, okay, so we're gonna have to connect it to a laptop first. So because the iPhone has an encrypted backup, the Samsung cannot access the phone. We now need to connect it to my Mac, unencrypt the iPhone, so that the Samsung can read it. It's taking its sweet time. Okay, for some reason, whenever the Samsung gets to about 26%, 27%, it seems to stop. For some strange reason, I don't know what it is. It keeps saying disconnect iPhone and reconnect. I may have to skip this stage, unfortunately, for now, and just download the apps that I really need. Okay, it seems to be going to 30% now, so hopefully, there you go. That's what it says, disconnect and reconnect USB cable to try again. So if it does it again, we'll probably skip the stage, just download what apps I need, and then attempt it again tomorrow. See, this is quite disappointing. I don't know why that's happening. The iPhone isn't encrypted anymore. Seems to get to about 31%, and that's where it happens. So we're going to leave it at that for now then. It's such a beautiful phone. I can see what everyone's been saying about the fingerprint scanner being on the back, right next to the camera lens. Look at the smudges on that. It's crazy. But yeah, there you have it. I am now on Android. Really not sure how I feel about this. Amazing phone, looks beautiful, and sad iPhone. Oh, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's slightly different to normal broadcasts, but give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There will be more random videos. And yeah, we'll talk about the phone after I've used it for a few days. I'll see you in the next one.